Hey Denise, can we buy a campervan?
A campervan
Yeah,
for here.
yeah.
Where are we going to put it?
I don't know.
No. No, you can't have a campervan here. We need to sell this house first and then get a bigger property and then get a campervan.
Please.
No.
You suck.
Where have you seen a campervan?
Oh, I found one on Trade Me. I reckon it's ideal.
How much?
$6 grand?
6,000.
Yeah. What do you think?
No. Because that's our Portugal money.
Okay, righto. Well, she said no, but then she changed her mind, fortunately, but I'm still not allowed to buy a van. I had a great one lined up on Trade Me. Unfortunately, because Denise said no, I was never going to buy it. It was a Mitsubishi L300, 2004, lots of Ks on the clock, maybe 350,000. Never mind. But the good news is she did say yes, and we'll show you what we got. And here she is. A beautiful camper van, 2008 Nissan Note, absolutely stunning hatchback. Yeah. Oh, it's locked. Rats. Beautiful piece of machinery, this thing. And are we going to fit in it? Well, we'll have to find out. It's going to be pretty tight, but at least it's a compromise. At least I finally got my camper van, even if it wasn't exactly what I was thinking it was going to be. Okay, well, it's actually our family car that we're going to convert. So, yeah, well, it's better than nothing, I suppose. Can we do it? Well, bit of work to do, that's for sure. Okay, so let's check it out. So there's not much room here at all. We've got these back seats here. These are going to have to come down. Let's see how much space we've got here. Chuck those down. Oh, okay. I have already measured this. It's 1.7 meters, which is not very long at all. We're going to have something that comes over the top over there, so we can maybe squeeze in here. It's going to be a tight fit. What have we got under here? Let's have a look down here. Well, we've got a bit of storage area here. That's going to come in handy, no doubt about it. How deep is that? Well, it's reasonably deep. We'll be able to get some stuff in there. That's going to come off. We're going to need some sort of foam mattress of some description. We're going to need some window coverings. What else are we going to need? Some sort of power. We've got the cigarette lighter at the front, but that's going to need a bit more than that, I'd say. Have we got any space in here in the front? Let's have a look. A little bit of space behind the glove box here. A little bit of space down here. A little thing up here. It's got a little bit of space, not much. And of course we've got the little bits down the side here. Not a lot of space. And we've got this thing here. Definitely needs a clean, that's for sure. And there we have it. So we've got a lot of things to do if we're ever going to turn this into a micro camper, because that's essentially what it is. A micro camper, very small camper. We're only just going to fit, we're only just going to squeeze in. Maybe I have to do like the Japanese do on their trains and actually push her in. We'll have to wait and see about that. But we're going to have to get some certain things. We're going to have to get something to cover the windows up. We're going to have to get some sort of mattress. We're going to have to get some power supply to the van. We're going to have to get some internal lights. There's a swag of things. So follow along on this particular journey and we'll take you through it. We'll see where we get to. And eventually, hopefully in a couple of weeks, we might actually go camping. Stay tuned.